Here, we just caught those two. We've actually still got them in the boat, haven't been able to take care of them yet, really. And we got another blue one bouncing around over here, and he's been going at it pretty good for a minute. So hopefully he's tiring out a little bit.
He pulled this thing over and bobbed it up like a submarine.
Yeah, hopefully he's tired at this point, but he's still tugging pretty good. So good he just took it under again. Miss Tammy's got a nice fish right here. Don't break the line. Another nice blue. And I don't know about the hook on there. The hook. Yes, got it in.